All right.
Okay.
Okay, what we gonna do like that?
We're gonna play shuffle here
Mm-hmm.
and ask me what you buy.
Okay, what?
Ask me what you to
What
buy.
you are selling? Let me see.
I'm selling fruit and 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 toys.
Don't forget your ice cream, daughter.
And ice cream.
Eat your ice cream. Eat your ice cream. Otherwise, it will melt.
And I hope my own ice
What's
cream. Like
what you have inside your ice cream? What's the flavor of your ice cream?
this is white. This is chocolate.
Ah,
Chocolate.
wow, is it good? Like it? Where are you right now?
I'm at work.
At work? You're working?
Yeah.
You're selling and eating?
And
Hi, where are you? Hi.
here.
Hi. Ah. So, how was your day? Mm-hmm. How was your day? Yours is melting.
Oh.
Yours is yummy.
You're fine. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you like it? Yeah, we can share.
I
That
want
one
to. I
too.
want to.
Have you seen the books there?
Where?
Books there on the shelves.
My dog.
What?
My dog.
What fell down?
My dog.
Mm.
My dog.
That's a dog? Yeah.
It's hot spot. Like my ice cream house. So I.
Yeah, they look like each other. Yes,
Yes.
that dog.
He wants. He wants.
Yeah, he wants to.
Yum, 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 yum. Look at his feet.
Don't put it inside, okay? So that might be dirty.
Not dirty, it's clean.
Yeah.
Mom, you can't see me because I have this thing.
What?
Shelf.
What you want?
Shelf.
Sorry?
Okay, put it. I know. Mommy, I can't see you because
Hi.
Mommy, I don't want. I don't like it.
What?
I don't like it.
Eat mine if you want. Want?
Mommy, this is yours. This is
Yeah. Changing.
Mommy, mine is good.
What?
Mine is good.
Which one?
That one.
Most of them are good.
Mommy, I'm gonna bring the chair because I want to sit.
What?
I want to bring
You
the
want to
chair.
say it?
I
Okay.
want to sit.
Can't see you.
Hey, madam, what do you want to buy for your kitty cat pop?
Kitty cat what?
Kitty cat pot.
I don't know. What you can offer me? What can I buy from your
Healthy
store?
food
Uh-huh.
and toys
Uh-huh.
and books and stuffed animals and beach toys
Wow.
and cups and foods and a beach toy.
What's your store's name?
Kitty cat Baraboom.
Kit Kat Baraboom?
Yeah.
Nice name. And your ice cream is very tasty.
Look, I have a hanji.
What's that?
Hanji.
What?
Hanji.
That's a hanger or what's that?
Hanji.
Hanjin? What's that?
Hanji for your hair. You want to buy this?
You have many vegetables here.
Yeah,
And
they're
wait,
also dirty.
You also cook them, yeah?
Yeah. And here's my. I can't see you because that is covering your face.
Yeah. I can't see you either. Where are you?
I'm in the shoe. Right there.
again.
You know, you want this beautiful try? There's try.
You have tea too?
Yeah.
You prepare yourself or you are working with someone?
No, I'm just alone.
Mm.
Nobody is here. You can work tomorrow. Can work tomorrow to my store.
You offer me a job at your store? Good. How much you gonna pay me?
Like $1.
$1 per hour?
Yeah.
Okay, I will think
Because
about.
you don't have money. Because I'm gonna give you $1.
You
to
will be
work.
my boss?
Yes.
Okay, I will think about it and let you know tomorrow.
Okay. Sleep.
What?
Sleep.
Sleep?
Yes.
What sleep?
When you buy in the store, you have to sleep after.
After work, you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. You think about your worker.
Hi again.
Hi.
Come work.
Do you have a banana?
Yes.
What can you make for me from banana?
I can make a ribbon.
What?
I can make a ribbon like this. Look.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
Okay.
And you can also buy a dog. Look.
Wow.
You
I
can
thought
buy.
it's your pet.
No. It's a naughty dog because he likes you. Look.
He likes me.
Look. Look. Meow. 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 Meow.
I like dogs.
You like? Then buy this.
Thank you. How much is it?
$1 because you don't
Okay.
have money.
How you know that I don't have money?
That's why in my brain is you don't have money. That's $1.
What? You think that I don't have money?
Mm-hmm.
Why you think so?
I think.
You know?
Yeah, you only have $1.
Okay.
Because I said $1.
Okay, take the $1. Thank you.
Meet me tomorrow
Nice
and
pet.
work tomorrow. Bye bye.
Woof. Woof. Woof.
What?
Woof. Woof. Woof.
Hey, that's bad for dogs.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, you only need dog food, not.
Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? How you know that it's bad for me? Maybe I like banana.
No.
Ma'am, are you a doctor?
No.
Then why you don't let me eat my banana?
Because it's unhealthy.
Woof. But I want. Woof. Banana.
No. You
Why?
cannot eat it.
Woof.
No, you cannot become my clothing. Bad dog.
No, dogs are nice. Pets are our friends. We love pets. We need to take care of pets.
No.
We need to feed them, give them water when it's hot.
You cannot treat a banana to dogs because I'm healthy.
Okay, you are right. I told my doctor it cannot eat banana because it's not good
Here.
for its health.
Mommy, I dropped. I
What?
dropped ice cream. I dropped ice cream to my.
Take it. It's okay. Take it, Queenie.
It will dry.
Yes, that's fine. I will wash it away. Okay. So how you like, which ice cream is better?
I like this one, the
You like
one.
that one? That's with almonds. Next time we will buy you that one, okay? If you like it. We will clean it, it's okay.
Okay.
Olmaz. No, it's dirty. The table is dirty, Aşkım.
No.
So what else you sell in your
I sell
Store.
books and coffee.
what books you have? Can you show me please?
Okay, 1 second.
Prince book. What else?
And we have cat with it and Nana. A bunny. And this one is, I don't know.
Wow, what are they?
That is one with the shop.
Maybe,
This is shop.
maybe it's coloring book, no?
What?
Can you check inside? Maybe check inside.
No, not coloring.
Not coloring?
No.
What is it about?
There's a more.
There are more? Wow, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Come work tomorrow.
Okay, I will
If
come
you
and
want, if you want, you can work in the shop
All
with
right.
me.
Okay. I will work for you.
We also sell sand coins.
Oh, wow. We can build sandcastle with them, yes?
You want to build? We have also Hello Kitty.
Ah, wow. For the beach?
Yeah.
To play in the sand?
Oh my
Sit, eat your ice cream.
And that's
You'll work later after you
and we
finish.
have these. We have a cat.
Mhm.
Then we have a dog. Then we have a soup. Then we have this. A shape. This thing. Okay. Mommy, let's play this one.
Yeah, can you make shapes properly?
Mommy,
Let's
help me.
play on the table, not here.
Mommy, come play
Fine.
with me. Take
Okay,
over your
fine.
shoes.
Okay.
I want to sit here. You sit in the front.
Okay.
You sit there. No, there.
Alright.
You sit. Mommy, not there.
Where?
Here,
Oh,
here,
here? I cannot sit. It's small for me. It will not be okay for me. You sit, I will stand here.
Okay.
Take your ice cream too.
Where? Oh, there. Okay, here's the clothes. Okay. Here's the clothes. Mommy, you can help me pour this. It's too heavy.
Yes, right.
It's an Ellen. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I got the
How you
hand.
play this?
You have to match the shapes. Oh, almost. What's this? A triangle. Triangle.
Did you find it? Have you found the proper shape? You can. You just need to try it out.
Hexagon. It's too big. Yeah. What's one?
Where's the flower?
Where? Oh,
It's not here?
where?
I saw somewhere. Take it from the floor, please.
I can't. I'm playing. I don't want to smell things. I found.
You found the proper shape? You just need to look carefully, maybe. Celine, what do you want to say to your subscribers?
Thank you.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Please, bye.
Subscribe. Yes, if they subscribe, we will make more interesting videos. Yes.
Why?
We need subscribers for our channel. What's in there?
There are shapes.
Jenny, you remember you had this game at home? You remember?
Yeah.
You
But
had
I
this
can't
at home.
find it. Yes?
Yeah, but when you were playing when you were a baby and you were putting this to it properly. Yes. Are you going to play with this? If not, please put them back. This is so big. Where it goes?
That is not right.
Yeah, this is not about it.
No, we don't need this. We need something big like this. Like
Smaller
this.
sizes, you mean?
Maybe here. No.
No.
It's small shape.
No.
It's, look, the hole is small.
Mhm.
Heart. Heart. Where's heart? Where's heart? Heart. 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 Ow! Number 10.
What do you have in your ice cream?
What?
What's in your ice
I
cream?
don't know.
You don't know?
No.
I think almond.
Ow!
Eat it. It's melting.
Oh.
So, what else did you do at school today? Oh, frog. What's that? Is that a fish?
No, no.
Frog? Okay.
Mommy, where's the frog thing?
There's no there.
Imagine the frog is a frog tree.
What is it doing? What is it doing? Frog.
Jump.
Yeah.
Imagine a frog is going to turn around and I jump to the ice cream.
Oh no! That would be fun.
And come to your ice cream to my
Oh no,
ice cream.
no, don't not to my ice cream.
Beep.
I'm eating
Woo!
it.
I jump.
Oh my goodness.
Imagine this bear is going to turn a light.
Oh, I'm
And eat
scared
it.
now. You scared me.
Mommy, let's play something else.
Okay, finish your ice cream. Or you don't have to finish. If you don't want to eat, you can stop. You want to eat? No, it's too big. Slowly, it's cold. Let's speak. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's cold. Yeah, it's cold.
No?
Slowly, still slowly. Say slowly.
Dog. Mommy, let's play something else. I don't want to eat like ice cream.
Okay.
Mommy,
Mm.
let's play. Mommy, let's play shop.
Okay.
Mommy, you're the shopkeeper.
You're shop. What? I am working. I'm a customer or working in the shop.
Working in the shop.
Okay.
Mom, put your bag on the...
It's heavy. Be careful.